Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the NinjaTrader mobile app. In order to do so, here we are in the Google Play Store for Android, and we have searched for NinjaTrader. We got it here and we have it installed, so you'll want to go through the same steps. And then we're going to go ahead and open that up and just go step by step. So the first thing we want to do is click Get Started. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Then we can sign up here with our email with Google or with Apple. We'll go ahead and do that with Google. And with just a couple of clicks of the button, our Google profile is not associated yet. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Sign Up. We'll do that later. But you could set that up if you want, biometric. And we'll just give this a moment to think. And there we go. So now we can open up a live account to start trading, or we can do a simulated trading account. So let's go ahead and go with the live account. Okay, and we're going to select our live account type. We have individual, joint, IRA, business entity. Going to go ahead and stick with individual and hit continue at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and enter in some information here and then proceed from there. Enter in our personal information and get started. Okay, and going through the steps here, found that at this time, NinjaTrader is only available to residents of Ontario. So that's important to note. If you want to use NinjaTrader and you're in Canada, then you are going to need to be in Ontario. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.